Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change your name in Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change name in Shein app, all you need to do is simply tap open the Shein app. So once you tap open the Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the me icon. Once you tap on it, simply tap on the settings option, which is located on the top right hand side of the corner, and then simply tap on your name, which is above the address book. Once you tap on it, you will end up in edit profile section where you can find nickname. So simply tap on nickname section and type in the name you want to change it into. So simply type it in and hit the save button, and you can find that now your name on your Shein app has successfully been changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.